Chapter 1, The Fun They Had. So, before we start the chapter, let's have a look on the very first page of the chapter where it has been described how schools of the future might look. So, there will be learning through computers, which we already are doing because of the pandemic. Virtual classrooms will be there. Same, again, we are witnessing it. Robotic teachers, moving e-texts. So, now starting the chapter, Maggie even wrote about it that night in her diary on the page headed 17th May, and the year is 2157. She wrote. So, it is the era, or you can say it is the time, which is already 140 years, more than 140 years ahead us. Today, Tommy found a real book. So, Maggie is writing in her diary that today Tommy found a real book. So, what is a real book according to these kids? It was a very old book. Maggie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather. So, Maggie ने बोला कि जब उसके grandfather छोटे थे, so he had उनके grandfather ने बताया था that there was a time when all the stories were printed on paper. So these kids are from the future. They have not witnessed something like a book or pages, all the sort of thing, all the academic things they are doing through the computer. Okay, or the robotic teachers they have. सो मागी के जो ग्रैंडफादर थे उनके ग्रैंडफादर ने उनको बताया कि देयर वाज अ टाइम व्हेन दे यूज्ड टू हैव रियल बुक्स और थिंग्स और द स्टोरीज text was written on paper. They turn the pages. So they used to turn the pages, not like the things that they used to do nowadays. जैसे हम click करते हैं तो the page gets turned. Okay, and e-text. So they turned the pages which were yellow and crinkly, and it was awfully funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to on a screen. So it is a very funny thing for these people. एक तो उसके pages yellow थे, पुराने होते थे books के, और वहाँ पर जो भी लिखा हुआ होता था text that used to be there, वो move नहीं करता था like the computer screen. हम page को flip करते हैं, पुराना text चला जाता है. And then when they turned back to the page before, it had the same words on it that it had when they read it for the first time. तो उनके लिए बहुत ही amazing चीज़ थी. It was something very new that the text used to be there even when they flick or they turn the same page back. Gee, said Marky, Tommy, what a waste. When you are through with the book, you just throw it away. जब book खत्म हो गई, so you just throw it away. I guess our television screen must have had a million books on it, and it's good for plenty more. So Tommy is telling कि अब जो future में जिस time period में ये लोग रह रहे हैं उसमें they have computer screens and उसके अंदर millions of books हैं और उससे ज़्यादा भी हो सकती है. I wouldn't throw it away, लेकिन I won't throw the computer away. Same with mine, said Maggie. She was 11 and hadn't seen as many telebooks as Tommy had. So Tommy was elder than Maggie. So Maggie ने उतनी books नहीं देखी थी जितनी Tommy ने already पढ़ चुका था. He was 13. So Tommy was 13. She said, "Where did you find it?" Maggie is asking Tommy. In my house. He pointed without looking because he was busy reading. In the attic. Attic is the place just below the roof. Roof के नीचे एक जो place है जैसे आपने देखा होगा ऐसे करके जो slanted जो roofs होती हैं उनके ऊपर एक छोटा सा store room type होता है, that is known as attic. In my house, he pointed. What it's about? ये है किस बारे में? School. Maggie was scornful. Scornful was showing you think something is worthless. Oh, school. What's there to write about school? I hate school. So Maggie does not like school. Maggie always hated school, but now she hated it more than ever. Why she hated school? The mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography, and she had been doing worse and worse until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully and sent for the county inspector. So county inspector is the person who keeps a check on the hardware or the software of the robotic teacher they have at their home. He was a round little man. So now they are describing the county inspector. He was a round little man with a red face and a whole box of tools with dials and wires. He smiled at Maggie and gave her an apple. Then took the teacher apart, जो उसका mechanical teacher था, जो robotic teacher था, उनको ले गया. Maggie had hoped he wouldn't know how to put it together again. So Maggie is just praying कि वो county inspector उसको ठीक ना करे. But he knew how all right, and after an hour or so there it was again. And so within an hour the county inspector again brought that mechanical teacher back. There it was, large, black, and ugly, with a big screen on which all the lessons were shown and the questions were asked. So now the Maggie is describing her mechanical teacher. So how is the mechanical teacher? It is large, black to represent the screen, ugly, with a big screen on which the lessons are shown, and she has to give answers to those questions. That wasn't so bad. The part Maggie hated most was the slot where she had to put homework. So Maggie के लिए computer mechanical teacher इसलिए बहुत ही उसको she doesn't like going to school just because she has to put back her homeworks and test papers. तो उसमें एक slot होता था जिसमें वो अपना test papers या अपना homework put करती थी. She always had to write them out in a punch code they made her learn. So it was not a normal language through which she used to give her exams. There was special coding which she has already learned long back when she was 6 years old, and the mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time because it is a computer. The inspector had smiled after he was finished and patted Maggie's hand. Patted means ऐसे करके थपथपाना. He said to her mother, "It's not the little girl's fault, Mrs. Jones. I think the geography sector was geared a little too quick." So why she was getting geography lessons one after another? Because that particular session of geography has been geared up. वो थोड़ा ज़्यादा fast हो गया था. Those things happen sometimes. I have slowed it up to an average 10-year level. So now the pace of the geography classes has been lowered. अब वो कम कर दी गई हैं according to the 10-year-old level. Actually, the overall pattern of her progress is quite satisfactory. So now the county inspector is basically appreciating Maggie's performance, that उसकी जो performance है वो satisfactory है. And he patted Maggie's head again और दोबारा उसको एक तरीके से pat किया. Maggie was disappointed. She had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether. So she was hoping कि the mechanical teacher वापस ही ना आए. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. So एक बार टॉमी के साथ ऐसा हुआ था कि उसका मैकेनिकल टीचर काफ़ी टाइम के लिए ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ मंथ was taken क्योंकि हिस्ट्री सेक्टर में कुछ भी नहीं आ रहा था. So she said to Tommy, "Why would anyone write about school?" So this is the whole picture why she doesn't like school. So now coming back to the conversation with Tommy, she's asking कि why these people found school so interesting कि उन्होंने एक book लिखी है. Tommy looked at her with very superior eyes. Why superior eyes? Because Tommy is elder than Maggie. Because it's not our kind of school. वो हमारे जैसा school नहीं है, stupid. This is the old kind of school that they had hundreds and hundreds of years ago. He added loftily, in the superior way. Why superior way? Because he's already elder and again he is reading about the school. So उसके पास ज़्यादा information है पुराने time के school के बारे में. Now he is explaining to Maggie, pronouncing the word carefully, centuries ago. So the concept of the school which was written in that book was centuries ago. Maggie was hurt. Well, I don't know what kind of school they had all that time ago. She read the book over his shoulder for a while, then said, "Anyway, they had a teacher." Oh, they had a teacher. Sure, they had a teacher, but it was a regular teacher. It was a man. Not like what Maggie and Tommy was witnessing. The book which they were reading had a real teacher. It means a man A man, how could a man be a teacher? So it is very amazing. हम लोगों के लिए normal है. Okay, teacher being a male or a female. But for them, जो mechanical teachers से अपनी education लेते हैं, for them it is very amazing thing. Okay, they have a teacher which is a living being. Well, he just told the boys and girls things and gave them homework and asked them questions. A man isn't smart enough. So these kids are talking among themselves कि एक man, एक living entity इतना smart हो सकता है? Sure he is. My father knows as much as my teacher. He knows almost as much. I betcha. Betcha is a kind of informal way. I bet you. Okay, a kind of slang which Americans use mostly. Margie wasn't prepared to dispute that. She said, I wouldn't want a strange man in my house to teach me, because these people used to take education at their home because they have their own personal mechanical teacher, like we are doing during this scenario of the COVID-19. So, same thing was going with them. तो मागी ने बोला मुझे बड़ा स्ट्रेंज लगेगा अगर कोई एक मैन, एक रियल लिविंग ह्यूमन बीइंग आके मेरे को मेरे घर पे रोज पढ़ाए. टॉमी स्क्रीम विद लाफ्टर. यू डोंट नो मच मागी, द टीचर डिडंट लिव इन द हाउस. वो टीचर घर पे नहीं रहते थे. दे हैड अ स्पेशल बिल्डिंग एंड ऑल द किड्स वेंट देयर. सो द स्पेशल बिल्डिंग दे आर टॉकिंग इज द school, and all the kids learn the same thing. Sure, if they were the same age. So ज़्यादातर बच्चे they are talking of the school जो बुक में लिखा गया है, जो हमारे आज के टाइम का जो स्कूल है, जो हमने विटनेस किया है. ठीक है, तो श्योर इफ दे वर द सेम एज. तो वहाँ पर वो बता रहा है, टॉमी मागी को एक्सप्लेन कर रहा है कि ये बच्चे जो थे ये सेम एजुकेशन लेते थे अगर दे बिलोंग टू द सेम एज ग्रुप. But my mother says a teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl it teaches, and that each kid has to be taught differently. So now Maggie is telling कि मेरी मदर कहती है कि हर टीचर, क्योंकि वो अपने मैकेनिकल टीचर के बारे में बात कर रही है जिसको आप एज के अकॉर्डिंग एडजस्ट कर सकते हो, जैसे अभी काउंटी इंस्पेक्टर ने किया था. जस्ट द सेम वे दे डिडंट डू इट दैट वे देन. इस तरीके से पुराने टाइम पे नहीं होता था. इफ़ यू डोंट लाइक इट यू डोंट हैव टू रीड द बुक. अगर टॉमी बोल रहा है अगर तुम्हें नहीं पसंद आ रही बुक, क्योंकि तुम हर चीज़ में, बिकॉज शी इज़ नॉट अप्रिशिएटिंग वॉट एवर हैज़ बीन रिटन इन द बुक. सो टॉमी इज स्ट्रेट अवे, टॉमी ने इसको फेस पे बोला कि just don't read the book. I didn't say that I didn't like it, Margie said quickly. She wanted to read about those funny schools. They weren't even half finished when Margie's mother called, Margie, school. Margie looked. Not yet, Mama. Now, said Mr. Johns. Abhi, Mrs. Johns. And it's probably time for Tommy too. Tommy का भी time हो गया था अपनी classes लेने का. Margie said to Tommy, can I read the book some more with you after school? Maybe, he said nonchalantly, not showing much interest, because मागी ने हर उसमें कुछ ना कुछ क्रिटिसिज्म निकाला कि अच्छा ऐसे ऐसे. सो टॉमी was not interested in reading the book with Margie. He walked away whistlingly, the dusty old book tucked beneath his arm. So why they have mentioned this thing, the dusty old book? Because this book was 150 years old. Margie went into the classroom. It was right next to her bedroom. And the mechanical teacher was on waiting for her. So mechanical teacher was the computer. It was always on at the same time every day. Why? Because it is mechanical teacher. The time slot has been fixed and it will automatically open on the same time, except Saturday and Sunday. Coming on next page, because her mother said little girls learn better if they learn at regular times. So why the time has been fixed? Because according to her mother, if little girl learn, we all learn something at a particular period of time, then the learning will be good. The school was lit up. The screen was lit up, and it said today's arithmetic lesson is on the addition of proper fractions. So today, what was the lesson of what was the class she was attending? Arithmetic lessons. Please insert yesterday's homework in the proper slot. So the computer is giving, the mechanical teacher is giving instruction just like human teachers do. Margie did so with a sigh, with a sad face. She was thinking about the old schools they had when her grandfather's grandfather was a little boy. All the kids from the whole neighborhood came, laughing and shouting in the school backyard. Sitting together in the schoolroom, going home together at the end of the day. So now she is recalling how the school used to be when her grandfather's grandfather used to be in the school. So they used to play together, laugh together, going back from school to home together. They learned the same things so they could help one another with the homework and talk about it. And the teachers were people, and the main thing was the teacher were the people. The mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen when we add fractions 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 4. Margie was thinking about how the kids must have loved it in the old days. She was thinking about the fun they had. So now she was thinking about the time her grandfather's grandfather had witnessed. So this story has been written by Isaac Asimov, The Fun They